Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel where we explore the beauty of nature and share amazing landscaping ideas with you. In today's video, we have something truly special for all the flower enthusiasts out there. Get ready to be inspired by our top 5 tulip flower landscaping ideas. Tulips are not only known for their exquisite beauty but also for the vibrant colors they bring to any garden. Incorporating these magnificent flowers into your landscaping can transform your outdoor space into a floral paradise. So let's dive right in and discover some creative ways to use tulips in your landscape. Our first idea is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your garden path. Planting tulips in a row along a walkway creates a stunning visual impact. Imagine taking a stroll through a colorful corridor of tulips with each step surrounded by the delicate fragrance of these blooms. It's a mesmerizing experience. Now let's move on to our second idea, which involves creating a tulip border. By planting tulips as a border around your garden bed, you can create a striking frame that draws attention to your other flowers and plants. The vibrant tulip colors act as a natural highlighter, making the entire garden comes alive. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space. If you have a larger space available, why not dedicate an entire area to a tulip garden? Choose a variety of tulip colors and arrange them in beautiful patterns or color gradients. This dedicated tulip garden will become a focal point in your landscape, capturing everyone's attention with its stunning display of nature vibrant hues. Moving on to our fourth idea, let's explore how tulips can be used for indoor arrangements. Tulips are not limited to outdoor gardens. Bring their beauty indoor by creating gorgeous floral arrangements. Whether it's single tulip in a vase or a stunning bouquet, these flowers add elegance and pop of color to any room. Place them on your dining table, mantelpiece, or even in your office space for an instant mood lift. Lastly, let's discuss our fifth idea, which is perfect for those with limited outdoor space. Even if you don't have any large garden, you can still enjoy tulip by planting them in pots on your balcony or patio. Choose different tulips varieties, mix and match colors, and create a beautiful mini garden in your outdoor living space. It's a great way to bring nature closer to you and enjoy the beauty of tulips, even in a small setting. And there you have it, our top 5 tulip flower landscaping ideas. Whether you choose to line your walkway, create a border, design a dedicated tulip garden, arrange them indoor, or plant them in pots, tulip will add a touch of enchantment to your surroundings. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature. Happy gardening.